Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to recover unsaved Word document in 2023. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I'm working with a Word document. Unfortunately, it is closed. So how to recover the unsaved document? For example, unfortunately, my Word document is crashed or something has happened. For example, I just use Control Delete and I used to close this one without saving the document. So without doing anything, so I just close this documents, means I just need unsaved, that is without any other hesitation. How to get that information? Yes, from your Word document, just go to file menu and just go to info. Once you go to info, there will be a manage document will be there. Just hit the button in the manage document. You will have a recover unsaved document is there. So once you click this one, automatically it will move into the pop-up window. So what are the auto saved documents there in your files will be displayed over here. So as you see here, so these are the auto save recovered documents. So just click here to open, means automatically what are the files you saved, you didn't saved, or unfortunately closed. So for example, without having saving or without crashing or power cut, anything's happened, means everything will be stored in that place. So it is easy to recover the auto recover file save data. So use this option to recover your entire file. So don't worry about the things, Word has the option. So you can get the files when and where you saved, everything will be auto recover from this place. Yes, so if while you're typing anything else, now Word itself given auto save option. On top you will find option called auto save enable and disable. So there will be enable option to enable this auto save option. So this is the latest Word document. I just want using Windows 2007 or 10 Word, means just go to file menu and just go to options. Once you click options, you will have a save data, that is Word document. Just click a save and you have to select here save auto recover information and keep auto recover files should be checkbox. So it will be checkbox, means automatically your file will be saved in a safe places, as well as you can recover the files if your Word or Excel is crashed, means you can get the auto recover files. I think this option will help you to recover your entire crashed file. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.